Beautiful. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. There it is. Nice. Woo!
Let's take it out for sure.
Yeah. All right. Go ahead and bring this forward for a second. Okay. There. You ready, sir?
Yeah.
Relax as much as you can. Deep breath. All the way out. There. Beautiful. Other side.
This, by the way.
Huh?
They don't-
They're scared. Oh,
They
yeah.
don't watch the videos or nothing.
Oh. You don't want to watch his popcorn? Relax for me, too. There it is. Beautiful. All right, here we go. Nice. The lights are on. Beautiful. Miss Wilma, you got to get a video of that. They're all holding their you turn around the video, they're all holding their ears and they're going like this. They're like, look at their faces. They're all shocked. All right, so let's go FaceTime. Let me just check and make sure everything's moving like I want. So I know I haven't done any video in a while. Hopefully I'll start making more and more videos. Let's go FaceTime. I just want to check the hip and
Oh, yeah,
and-
okay.
Nice. You're gonna sleep like a baby tonight, Zion.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.